Hey Doug and Nikki fans, we are here with an unboxing test of something that I would rather not have to unbox and test, but the doctor said I need to pay attention to what I'm doing at this point in my life. So it is the LAZLE 2021 blood pressure monitor. Before I tell you what came in it and what it's like and whether or not it's worthwhile for you to get, give this video a this down below if that kind of information is helpful for you. In any case, so I've already unboxed it a little bit because I wanted to try it, make sure I was comfortable with telling you about it and what it does. But so in any case, it is a blood pressure cuff. It has huge, I hope you can see this LED, so it might not work on the camera, but very big print, really nice. It will store up to 200 results, which is great. You could also categorize it by who in the house it's storing. It comes with 4 AA batteries, so you're all set to go right out of the box. So I always like that when you don't have to go running around looking for batteries when you buy something. You could at least, it comes with what you need to throw in it and start right out of the box. What do you say we give it a shot and see just how my blood pressure is this evening while I'm talking to you about this item. I'm sure I'm not supposed to talk to you while I do my test, but I thought I would. Comes with a nice carrying case, the user's manual, which obviously it's important because this is medical information. You want to make sure you use it right. Like I'm sure it's going to say don't be talking while you're taking the test. How to reset the date, time, that stuff, how to set it up, using the cuff, measuring. So this is a product which is clearly outstanding. My doctor had actually recommended this manufacturer to me. He said there were a couple manufacturers, but he said this one, I looked at the reviews were great, so I thought I would get it. And if I don't get a number that I like here, I'm not going to recommend it to you because it should just give you automatically a low blood pressure so you can continue to eat crap and be healthy. But in any case, yeah, I'm not recommending. Oh man, that is way too high. Anyway, no wonder the doctor wanted me to check my blood pressure. He'll fix that all up. I'll be here for a long time doing these reviews. I hope it was helpful for you. I think this is a great product, super easy to use. You gotta have this information if you're gonna take care of yourself. We'll see you next time.